Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to another video. If you've literally clicked on this video because you might be in a situation where you think, crap, I need to get this done now, or all I want to do is know how to do it, and you don't really care about me and my personal life, then skip to this time in the video. Bye. But if you're new to the channel or if you're a loyal subscriber and you want to know what the crack is at the minute, then that's what I'm about to explain right now. I do apologise over the lack of videos at the moment. They've been like once every 2 or 3 weeks even. There's a reason for that, but it's not a bad reason, it's a good reason. And it's simply because I've just changed jobs, pretty much. I've worked in retail for all of my working life, so pretty much 6 years of working retail, 4 different shops, 2 different companies. And I'm out of that now, finally. And I'm very, very grateful now to be in such an amazing position where I'm working with people that I really get on with, as well as a job that I'm enjoying doing, which is based around cars, so I can't really ask for more, to be honest. If you've been with the channel a long time, you'll know that in the past I've always said I'm going to upload videos on a Thursday. Thursday used to be my normal day off, with it being like in retail and alternative weekend days off. Now I do work Monday to Friday and a little bit on Saturdays every now and then. So that whole off day of Thursday where I can like think I've got to get a video cracked and done ready for tonight, I don't have that now. But I do have full weekends, which makes it easier for car shows, meeting other people if you want to do car reviews, evenings. It's so much better. I've just been, obviously 100% of my brain power has been on making sure I do okay in this new job, and now I've got to work out a new routine on how we can do videos in like a time scale, that kind of thing. So they might not be on the same days they normally are, they might just be random days now, but I will upload as soon as I possibly can. One of the bonuses is I actually have now another facility to film at, which means if it comes to it and I need shelter to work on the car, or somewhere where there's other people that I can get help from if my dad's not available, sometimes my colleagues can help me, which is brilliant. So we're actually going to film the rest of this video there, just because it was easier to do this and I did it in the past. So let's go back to the past in a different location at a different time and get it done, basically. Let's get them wing mirrors flapping again. Never going to say that again in my life. Oh, do you know what? If you don't remember, a while back I did like a goal wall. I think at the minute I think we're gonna take that one off. I'll try to. I forgot how strong these magnets are. That can go away. I'll tell you something that I've got my eyes on next. Goal for this year. Let's get rid of that stock ride height and get some fancy handling, shall we? Right, so we're here now. I've actually already taken the cap off just because I was losing daylight. I thought I'd be able to just push it off by hand, but you don't. You do have to take the glass off. I've been told otherwise, but I don't want to take that risk. And when I actually took the glass off, I found that where the 2 clips were that I needed to pinch together, there was actually some wire wrapped around that, which is connected to the indicator on the shell itself. So it's a good job I didn't just drag it off, because I could have just split that wire. But basically, as a routine of what you need to do, you take your glass off by hand. You'll probably need 2 flat blade screwdrivers in these 2 little squares that you can see. You pinch these 2 clips together on inside both of those squares, and then you can push it off. Disconnect indicator. Then it's the actual module itself, which is for the folding of the wing mirror. It's got 2 clips on it. This one that's like a big standard connector that you'd normally find, and then this like weird, stupid, fancy white one where you need to squeeze it at both sides and then push a middle section in to get it released. Harry, who I work with, had to actually help me do that because you needed 3 hands. Well, he did it with 2, but you get the picture. I'm sorry if you couldn't really see it. We did lose daylight in the end, we just had a head torch, so that's all we did. So now we're back inside. I did buy a soldering iron because I thought we're going to need to solder these new wires in, but luckily the ones that we've got have been snipped after the clip themselves, so they can just be detached and then they can plug in where we took the old one out and plug it straight in, plug and play. fingers crossed, that's all it needs to be. So all you need to do is reverse the steps that we've done already, put it all back together and everything once you clipped all that back in. So we'll do that, and fingers crossed, we'll be cooking on gas. Chicken madras. Right, so this is what my normal one has been doing. This is on my driver's side. It just like stops like that and then back down. That's pretty much it. But now on the side that we've bloody changed it, look at that. Perfect. That's all you need to do if you want to change the solenoid. There are other methods where you take the resistor out, you can drill it out or melt it out and then put another resistor in, but that's quite accurate work and it's not something that I feel like I've got the patience or the talent to do. And like I've said, we were lucky enough to be gifted these ones, so thank you so much. You're a gent, Ryan. Well, look at that. I don't know how to plug a camera in, a microphone in. Which is actually the second time I've filmed this section of the video, because I plugged it in and didn't plug it into the back of the mic, so it was completely silent. So let's get another go, shall we? I hope that video was useful, guys. I'm sorry it was quite dark most of the time, but it's quite a simple procedure to do. Hopefully I've explained it well enough for you to be able to do it yourself. And a massive shout out to Ryan Cooper, who actually sent me those. Oh, I got post. Sent me those solenoids for free because he had them spare. He says, I'm not using them, might as well use them to use on your car. So thank you again, right? And a massive extra shout out to him, because I don't know if he's doing them anymore, but he's been selling like a calendar bundle car box. I've actually purchased one off him. I'll show you, just switch around here. Look at that for a nice car, a nice little Civic there on there, look. Oh, look at what down here, UK Honda meet, which is going to be tomorrow, so you can imagine what the next video is going to be. A bit of tomfoolery, a bit of Honda montagery. Get back into car season again. It's going to be freezing, but oh well. Yeah, but there's some nice stuff. There's some nice stuff in here. Oh god. But I mean, even like the fact of just get it for me. Look at me. I mean, a beautiful shot of beautiful cars, if I do say so myself. So yeah, in the pack he does the calendar. There's like lanyard in there, stickers, air fresheners, key rings, all sorts, all car related. So if you are wanting something like that, it is worth contacting him if he's still doing it. Because as you can see, he's a photographer as well. If you do want to have a look, his Instagram is rcooper_94. But yeah, go and have a gander. Right, I'm going to leave the video here then, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, if you enjoy any of my other videos, if you're new, or loads of posts today. If you're new to the channel, welcome along, please stay. And for everybody that's been stuck with me a long time, thank you for staying. So like and subscribe to the channel and click the little bell button so it reminds you when a fresh video does come on, when it does eventually come on. And until next time, guys, like I always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.